Hi boys and girls, it's me, and I'm back in my dining room in my home in New Jersey. And you might be wondering, why aren't you at Kutztown, doing it like you normally do? I figured if I did it here, it's a little bit quieter. Berwin's in the background crying. See, now I still have noise. But typically it's so noisy when I start to do this that no one can hear me anyway. So I just see a guy going, and I'm just like, going through the motions, doing some kind of weird dance. But anyway, I wanted you guys to hear this. Anyway, first of all, it's over, okay? But I had a great time. I've met people from Tennessee, Vermont, Alabama, a couple people from Pittsburgh, and somebody from Canada, and everybody that, not everybody, but a lot of people have come up to me and thanked me, and they enjoyed the video. So I hope you enjoy this one as well. I had a great time. People that have never been there before have just been, really enthusiastic about the event, and it speaks for itself. So let me stop talking and let's get to the video, and I'll catch you at the end. Bye.
I get loyalty if anybody takes pictures. I've been telling that all day.
But I will ask a person if I can do it, if it bothers them, because I
You didn't ask me if you could take a video. How come you didn't come by yesterday and take videos and you did?
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you.
I mean, were you by yesterday?
You've got some beautiful radios. I mean, these are gorgeous.
You were here yesterday too. You take a video. You got good reception here.
A goal of saving 50,000 babies from abortion this year. We are behind. I really thought we would blow this out of the water, but so much has happened with
Which are eye catchers for kids.
A lot of like cute little novelty transistor.
Okay, 21 South 4th.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Hamburg, PA. My name is Alan,
Okay, good.
and it's necessities.
There you go.
I got 10 or 130. What corner? Oh, shit. Yeah, but I'm going to tell you exactly what I got. I got to tell you what I got.
I wish I had a picture of my 2285B on my phone. I'd show it to you.
I've seen them.
It looks just like this. I mean, it's real. It's very close to it.
Beautiful.
We have lot number
21-1. You got it.
lot 21-1. Atwater, Kent.
What model this is? I'm not familiar with these
It
models.
looks like a 37. I'm not sure.
Let's call it a 37.
Yeah, it's got a sticker that
37.
says 37. Yeah. Okay. How about $10 on the Atwater, Kent? $10 anywhere. $5 on the Atwater, Kent. $5 on the AK. $5 on the Atwater, Kent. $2 on the Atwater, Kent.
Very clean.
$2 on the Atwater, Kent. I got two. Two now three. Two now three. Two now three. Two now three. Sold $2, number 58. We have a Seaberg wall box, Seaberg wall console, lot 8-2 stereo. That's like SS160 and up there. Seaberg wall box, $10 on the Seaberg. $10 anywhere. 10 on this, 5 on the Seaberg. 5 I have, 5 now 7, 5 now 7, 5 now 7, 5 now 7, $5 going once, $5 going twice, $5 sold, number 77. Working later Zenith console. How about $25 on the Zenith? 25 anywhere on a working Zenith. $25 anywhere. $20. 20 on the Zenith. Come on. $20 on the Zenith. 20 on the Zenith.
This has push-pull 6v6 in the output.
20 on the Zenith. 10 on the Zenith. 10 I have. 10 now 15. 10 now 15. 10 now 15. How about 12? 10 now 12. 10 looking for 12.
Oh
10
my
looking
God.
for 12. 10 going once. 10 going twice. Sold $10, number 41. That's
HW100.
HW100. Thank you. Heathkit HW100. How about $40 on the HW100? $40 on the Heathkit. $40 anywhere. $30 on the Heathkit. 30. 20 on the Heathkit. 20, $10 on the Heathkit.
Oh my God.
That 10 I have. 10 now 15, 10 now 15, 10, 15 I have. 15 now 20, 15 now 20, 15 looking for 20, 15 looking for 20, 15 looking for 20, 15 going once, 15 going twice, sold $15, number 77. RCA 45EY3, 45EY3 missing its handle.
It's in here.
Oh, it's in there, okay. How about $15 on the RCA? 15 on the RCA? 10 on the RCA. 10 I have, 10 now 15. 10 now 15. 15 now 20. 15 now 20. 15 now 20. 15 now 20 I have, now 25. 20 I have now 25. 20 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 going once. 20 going twice. Sold $20, number 22. This looks like a Philco, is it not?
That's a nice Philco.
37,630.
Philco 37630.
that's a
$10
nice-
on the Philco.
that's a nice
$10
radio
anywhere.
there.
10 on the Philco. How about 5 on the Philco? 5 I have. 5 all over the place. 5 now 7. 5 now 7.
There's my
5 now 7 I have now 10. 7 now 10. 7 now 10. 10 I have now 15. 10 now 15. 10 now 15. 10 looking for 15. $10 going once. 15 I have. 15 now 20. 15 now 20. 15 now 20 I have, now 25. 20 now 25, 20 now 25. $20 going once, $20 going twice, $20 sold, number 47.
Signal generator.
Yep, night RF signal generator, $5 on a generator. 5 I have, now 7. 5 looking for 7. 5 looking for 7 on a generator with the manual. 5 looking for 7. 7 I have now 10. 7 I have now 10. 7 now 10. 7 now 10 I have now 12. 10 now 12. 10 now 12. 10 looking for 12. $10 going once. $10 going twice. $10 sold to number 61. 4, is that an RC? No, that's not a...
Apex.
Apex
Oh,
3
look at that.
with
That is a
tubes.
sweet- that is a
Look at those
sweet
coils, how
looking
nice.
radio.
How about $10 on the Apex? $10 on the tubed Apex. $10? Oh boy. 10, thank you, sir. 10 now 12. 10 now 12. 10 looking for 12. 12 I have now 15. 12 now 15 I have now 15 now 20. 15 now 20. 15 now 20. 15 now 20. How about 17? 15 looking for 17. 15 looking for 17. 15 going once, twice. Sold, number 75. Sonora.
Yeah, $7.
Emerson.
Emerson. We have an Emerson, lot 1-2. $10 on the Emerson. 10 I have. 10 looking for 15. 10 looking for 15. 10 looking for 12. 10 looking for 12. 10 looking for 12. $10 going once. $10 going twice. Sold number 40.
Oh,
Philco Hippo in white. Number?
62.
Lot 16-2. $10 on the Hippo. 10 anywhere. 10 I have now 12.
48,460.
10,
1940 model.
10 now 12, 10 now 12, 12 I have now 15, 12 now 15 I have now 20, 15 now 20, 15 now 20,
See-through
15
bag.
for 20, 20 I have now 22, 20 now 22, 22 I have now 25, 22 now 25, 25 now 30, 25 now 30 I have now 35, 30 now 35, 30 looking for 35, 30 going once, 30 going twice, 30 sold, number 40.
Get this out of here. What I want to do.
I got lost on the computer.
Do that Sonora's lace, it's always good. It's got a little crack on the side, but I think it's really nice. Where's that thing?
Good morning. You could be in the picture. How are you?
Using an average inflation rate of 2.4.
Where? 10 on an airline. $5 on an airline. 5 I have. 5 now 7. 5 now 7. 5 looking for 7. $5 going once. $5 twice. $5 sold. Number 59.
22 dash.
Something that was cheap.
This actually cost me $300. Oh, here we go. Oh, what we got?
You want to break the camera? Go ahead.
They robbed you then. You paid $300.
Well, what are you gonna say? Oh, what's that?
Oh, here comes John.
Got tubes. This is a little red dot there?
Yeah. You hear
Okay, that means we're recording. Hi, boys and girls, it's me. Now you hit the red button again. This followed me home. Yeah, don't go at that number.